الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه وأهل بيته أجمعين. Dear audience, today I would like to draw your attention to a very important point on Halala. My topic is what after Halala? It means that whether it is necessary for a woman to get married to her first husband who divorced her for the third time. The answer is that it's not necessary at all. After Halala, which I have already spoken in a very detailed manner, the title was Reality of Halala in Islam. You are requested to listen to that. After a woman gets married to any other husband than the one who divorced her for the third time, and by chance this husband also divorced her, the second husband, or he passes away, he dies, then iddat of death or divorce is completed. After that, this woman has right to get married to any other husband and to this one, but it's not necessary. It should not be the matter of pressure. She should never be pressurized to get married to this husband. The reality is that marriage is totally the matter of pleasure, the matter of comfort, the matter of delight. So if both understand, this woman and this first husband who had divorced her for the third time, all understand, they believe, after having analyzed everything regarding their behavior, regarding their nature, regarding the circumstances or the problems, challenges in which he divorced her for the third time, they understand with certainty that if they again get married to each other, it will be better for their lives, and they will be able to follow the orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in their marital life. They will be able to maintain the relation with sweetness. They will be able to take care of each other. They will be able to help each other. Then they should get married to each other. Otherwise, the glorious Quran doesn't suggest them, because the reasons, the problems, the circumstances due to which he divorced thrice, if the same prevail, then he will again divorce, and the life will be more bitter than earlier. Listen to the ayah of the glorious Quran, in which the entire process is mentioned. The glorious Quran says, فَإِن طَلَّقَهَا فَلَا تَحِلُّ لَهُ مِن بَعْدُ حَتَّى تَنكِحَ زَوْجًا غَيْرَهُ. And if he has divorced her for the third time, then she is not lawful to him afterwards until after she marries a husband other than him. Then the main point, فإن طلقها فلا جناح عليهما أن يتراجعا إن ظنا أن يقيما حدود الله وتلك حدود الله يبينها لقوم يعلمون. And if the later husband divorces her or dies, there is no blame upon the woman and her former husband for returning to each other if they think that they can keep within the limits of Allah. إن ظنا أن يقيما حدود الله, if they think that they can keep within the limits of Allah. After Halala, this woman and the first husband, the former husband, they can get married to each other. The door is opened. Chance is there. But they should think with certainty that whether they enjoy their marital life or not, whether they keep each other happy and pleased or not, if they are not certain, if they don't believe that we will enjoy, then they should not get married, and the people should not do anything to pressurize them. They should not put any sort of pressure on them. It totally depends on their mutual understanding. It totally depends on their consent, their pleasure. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَتِلْكَ حُدُودُ اللَّهِ يُبَيِّنُهَا لِقَوْمٍ يَعْلَمُونَ. And the orders of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the rules and regulations, rights of each other in marital life are the boundaries, the limits of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explains to the people. After all these things are explained by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they should not be ignored, and in any marital life, if they are seeming difficult to be followed, marriage should not take place. So my point is that what happens in the society, that people get married and they try to come back to their previous marital life after Halala, and more than that, more severe than that, that other people try to pressurize previous husband and wife to get married. It's not based on wisdom. They should keep this ayah in their mind, both husbands and wives, as well as the members of the society, the members of the community, unless it's obvious, it's certain that second time marriage, returning into marital life with the former husband and wife, will be beneficial for them, will be the cause and measure of pleasure for them. We should not try to get married. We should not pressurize at any cost. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us proper understanding of His teachings and give us happy marital life. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.